Magandang umaga sa lahat. Kumusta ang aking mga minamahal na mga estudyante? Kumusta kayo dyan? So, ito ay Art 7, Quarter 1, Module 1. Arts and Crafts of Luzon. Attires, fabrics, tapestries, crafts, and accessories and body ornaments. Ito yung pag-aralan natin ngayon, guys. Ito yung mga pag-aralan natin yung Arts and Crafts of Luzon. So ano ba yung dapat nating malaman sa kanilang mga kultura? What I need to know. Arts and crafts help us recognize the distinctiveness of a certain culture. They show the kind of living, the resources available in a particular region, the beliefs and tradition of the artistry, and imaginative minds of the people in different places. So this module will help you discover the characteristics of arts and crafts in specific areas of Luzon, like attires, fabrics, tapestries, crafts, and body ornaments or body ornamentation. So let this module bring you the world of art and crafts in Luzon, highlands and lowlands. Philippines is a rich country in terms of arts, which shows the culture and tradition of different regions. Through arts and crafts, folks from different localities are able to show their feelings, skills, belief, and ways of living. Learning objectives. At the end of this module, you will be able to, number 1, recognize the attires, fabrics, and tapestries, crafts, and accessories, and body ornamentation in highlands and lowlands of Luzon. Number 2, determine the characteristics of attires, fabrics, and tapestries, crafts and accessories, and body ornamentation in highlands and lowlands of Luzon. And number 3, appreciate the importance of the characteristics of attires. No? So, let us move on. What I know, ano yung dapat nating malaman. Directions, choose the best possible answer. Write only the letter of the correct answer on your answer sheets. So ito yung unang pagtataya o pagsusulit natin. Okay. So number 1, the addition weaving design of Ilocos or Ilocanos that represent the waves of the sea. A. Cain. B. Ginas Palawanis. C. Binacol. D. Inabel. Number 2, a hand weaving technique of the Ilocanos that is produced using traditional wooden looms. A. Cain. B. Ginas Palawanis. Letter C. Ikat. Letter D. Inabel. Number 3, the Southern Kalinga wooden strap around skirt or tapis. A. Cain. B. Genus Palawanis, letter C, Binacol, and letter D, Annabelle. Number 4, a boreal cloth woven by female elders of Mountain Province. A. Kadangyan, B. Wanis, C. Bakyat, D. Kalado. Number 5, clothing made by Kadangs of Nueva Vizcaya used by mother after giving birth. A. Kadangyan, B. Wanis, C. Bakwat, D. Kalada. 6. A belt with design composed of continuous zigzag pattern woven and double face with braided wraps that end as tassels. A. Kain, B. Genus Palawanis, C. Ikat, D. Annabelle. Number 7, it has designs that are inspired by natural elements, patterns that depict different plant forms and the color of nature and animals. A. Kain, B. Genus Palawanis, letter C. Ikat, letter D. Annabelle. Number 8, the word used by Ilocanos which literally means woven is blank. A. Kain, B. Genus Palawanis, C. Ikat, D. Annabelle. Number 9, it is a hand-woven fabric made by Ilocanos, which is more popular known as Abel Iloco. A. Kain, B. Genus Palawanis, C. Ikat, D. Annabelle. Number 10, Buntoks fabrics used as Wanis, Lufid, and Genus Palawanis. A. Kain, B. Sinusiwan, C. Ikat, D. Annabelle. Number 11, this ethnic group has textiles worn only during special occasions such as birth-giving, wedding, and harvesting. A. Tigyans, B. Kalingas, C. Buntoks, D. Gadangs. Number 12, an embroidered formal menswear in the Philippines and the most versatile apparel on special occasions like weddings and formal affairs. A. Borda, B. Barong, C. Bordados, D. Gadangs. Number 13, an earthenware jar crafted by skillful potters with the use of potter's wheel and kiln. A. Lava, B. Buri, C. Bornay, D. Lingling. Number 14, a bowl-shaped coiled basket of kalinga made from finely split rattan and nito a vine used for carrying and storing rice or vegetables. E. Laba. B. Bore. C. Burnay. D. Lingling. Number 15, a common ancient artifacts symbolizing fertility, prosperity, and love found in the Ifugao, Buntok, and other Cordilleras regions of the northern Philippines. A. Laba. B. Bori. C. Burnay. D. Lingling. Traditional Filipino leaf-shaped wafer made from glutinous rice. A. Bakol. B. Best. C. Keeping. D. Pastillas wrapper. 17. It is locally known as pabalat or borlas de pastillas. A. Vakol. B. Vest. C. Keeping. D. Pastillas wrapper. 18. The art of creating an entrance arc and other decorative materials, mainly from bamboo. A. Singkaban. B. Vakol. C. Keeping. D. Vest. A header used by Ivatan women of Batanes to protect them from the heat of the sun and rains. A. Singkaban. B. Vakol. C. Keeping. D. Vest. Number 20. It is worn by Ivatan men, farmers, that are made from the leaves of vuyabuy, a tree endemic to Batanes. A. Singkaban. B. Vakol. C. Keeping. D. Vest. Okay. Sana nasagutan ninyo ng maayos yung ating paunang pagsusulit. So, ito ay tungkol sa arts and crafts of Luzon, attires, fabrics, and tapestries, crafts and accessories, and body ornamentation. So, refer your answer to grade 7 module 1 quarter 1 arts and crafts of Luzon. So, yung mga sumasagot na estudyante ko, pakipasa. Thank you for watching. God bless.